and my heart is changed and turned towards her who wrongly has taken her love from me, so I am taken from her. So let her be absolved on my side, for I hold myself absolved on her side. And let her take, if she wishes, a repudiation, for I am forever repudiated. Forever repudiated! Forever repudiated from her and from her service, for I have served her too long. From a harsh company I depart, and in such a place I take company, where I find a private noble lady without a false estranged heart, who through her mercy softens towards me if I soften for her so much that I remain her leaguer man, since I remain mine in this way. I am hers without reserve, having remained, for she has not remained for me. She to whom I was a heart that had more fidelity than she had to herself. For this my love is broken, and since the wrong has been set in motion by her, and the fault set in motion, if she only nobly learns, very little harm do I take from it. And if she does not seek me nor make amends, that where it pleases her, let her make amends. And thus the matter is changed, speaking and doing, so that it pleases me to tend towards such a one. If it is fitting that she tell me she awaits me, for she is entirely such as I wish. And if it pleases her to wish to love me, that one evening I undress there where her noble body undresses. I shall be a fool if for the clover I go seeking the cabbage leaf. If the fair one only wishes to grant me what she promised me when it pleased her, in the orchard under the new flower this year, in the new season, and let her guide herself well in my case, since I go to her as guide. I know no lady nor maiden who, like a youthful youth, could not lie down beside me if she is lying down alone. So much do my eyes find her pleasing, to one who is so pleasing, then she must not delay it. For love that is too long delayed can hardly last as perfect love, once one has endured it too long. Lady, the best that I know to ask you, I beg you that you be untraded by me, for in my bettering you will be, if it please you, bettered. Propagate from loving you, I desist, for I know she is loved by such a one that has made you change heart.